Hello everyone, so welcome back to regular expression part 5, and in this it is like a very small video only. We are going to use our meta characters, that is this one square brackets. What it means that suppose you want specific characters. Okay, suppose in this square bracket, if I write I am interested in only AEIOU, it will check for all A, all E, I, O, U in these small letters only. So control S and F5. See, wherever A, E, I, O, U, A, I, A, wherever it is there, it will print that. But suppose, so obviously it is printing vowels from the given data. The program is very simple. Whatever data is given, if you write in the square bracket A, E, I, O, U, it will print that. But suppose if you are interested in printing dash or may, it is a or actually, not and situation, or situation. So control S, F5. So wherever dot is there, wherever dash is there, it will print it. Now where it is useful actually, in this phone number actually here only, we have dash sign, we have asterisk also, and we can have a dot sign also here. So let's say this one is the dot. Okay, now suppose if I write slash d slash d slash d, that is one thing. Then square bracket dash or dot. Then again slash d slash d slash d. Then again square bracket dash and dot. And again slash d slash d slash d four times. Control S. See, we have here three numbers. Okay. Control sorry, F5. See, we are getting only the specific output with the dash and dot, not with the asterisk sign. But if you will write asterisk sign over here, asterisk and again asterisk, control S, F1, then we are getting the output. So for selected things, you have to use the square brackets. And one more thing, suppose the program is not to print vowels. Other than vowels, you have to print each and every letter. Then you can write something like this. This is the sign and then AEIOU. So it will not print only this AEIOU, and other than that, it will print everything. See, everything but other than AEIOU. Okay, so thank you everyone.